What's going on YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys yet again with another video. And in this video, I'm actually going to be installing an ATM machine. I know I have a lot of other videos on my channel, so make sure and go check those out. But what's so special about this ATM install? Do me a favor and smash the thumbs up button, because that's what's most important. Secondly, okay, what's actually most important is this was a referral, and I talk a lot about this, from another barbershop. Okay, so the barbershop TCO, shout out to you, brother man, in Tempe, Arizona. So if you guys are in Tempe, go see my man TCO Cuts. He is insanely packed, but try to schedule anyways. But shout out to you. So he's an all cash barbershop. Okay, he's only one chair. His ATM does absolutely phenomenal, does absolutely incredible. He's a killer dude. So he says, Austin, I have a good friend of mine. He also owns a barbershop. It is also all cash. It's got quite a few more chairs than just I do. And would you like to put your ATM there? And I said, absolutely. When can I do it? He says, tomorrow. That's what's so special about this particular barbershop, is just the fact that it was referred to me by another barbershop. So whenever you are servicing, whenever you are installing, okay? For example, we're going to walk in here. You're going to probably see some B-roll of me getting some, shaking the dude's hand that owns this thing, getting a chance to talk to him, see, interact with him, rather than just go install an ATM and walk away and there's my job and I'm done. No, I want to meet every single one of the barbers in there. I want to introduce myself. Hey guys, my name is Austin Lewis. Let me know if you guys need anything. If you guys have anybody, I would absolutely love to give you guys a referral fee. And that's what allows your business to grow just automatically via word of mouth, right? Where this guy's going to get a phenomenal service. He's going to get a phenomenal install. He's going to be excited. He's going to be fired up. I'm probably going to give him 20 bucks just to get lunch today. And no, that's not a bribe. That's just good business, okay? He's putting one of my ATM machines inside his facility. He's not earning a dime. He's not earning a dime for me to put an ATM machine inside this location. He's not earning a surcharge. He's not earning anything like that, okay? It is just my loader is going to be loading this machine. The owner of this ATM, Anthony Williams, is going to be owning this machine. The surcharge is going to be $3. $1 is going to the loader that's going to be loading the ATM machine, and $2 is going to Anthony Williams. Okay, so check this out. That is the simple process of this entire situation. Now, obviously, I talk a lot about loading, or I talk a lot about not loading. I talk a lot about not installing. Listen, I'm sitting here in the Yahoo. I'm not going to load a machine anymore. I'm going to pay $100 to my installer to actually load the machine for me. Why? Because I've got more business. I've got more things done this morning, today, right now, sitting in this car waiting for this install over the last 10 minutes than it would be having an ATM in the back of this, going and getting my hands dirty. Don't get me wrong, I did that for a long period of time. But once you start to scale and grow your business, just understand where your time is best spent. My time is no longer best spent installing ATM machines. My time is best spent going and meeting the owners of the ATM machines that I own that are getting installed. That is the simple process. That's just some breakdown. I'm going to show you guys some B-roll how we'll install this ATM. We are going to be bolting it to the ground. It is in Gilbert, which is a very clean, safe environment. It's next to a wheels and tire shop. It's next to a ice cream shop. It's next to a Napa. It's a nice, tight little facility. And the barbershop is fairly new, okay, but they do have decently good marketing. They're still getting their sign at the top done. My installer is showing up here right now, guys. So let's go ahead and start this process.